Okay, so we are now in the second part of 6 of the how to find and solve out here with the quadratic equations now. Okay, so here we have for the second one, we have for the B is we have 3m squared minus 12. Now to solve out for this one, let's try to add both sides by 12. So that's going to give us with the answer out of 3m squared is equals to 12 then. Now, giving out here, we're going to divide both sides by 3. That's going to give us with the answer as m squared 3 divided by 12. That's going to be given 4. Now, the square of 4, that would be m square, or it's going to have for the square root for both sides. So that's going to give us with 4. So that's going to have m is equals to positive over negative 2 then. Or we can write out here for our answer as m is equals to positive 2 or m is equals to negative 2 then. Okay, so that would be for the second part down here.